Hi, I'm Asmita Marwa, and I'm here for the Blenders Fashion Tour. And I'm very, very excited. I'm showing in my own city, and it's wonderful to be here. And I've always got a lot of encouragement from my people, and I'm showing with the best talent of the country, and it feels really wonderful. I think actually I was more interested earlier in studying to be a psychologist or a counselor. I was doing psychology. I'm a psychology graduate, and then fashion happened just instinctively. It was a process where I realized that that was the only way I could really express myself. I felt happiest when I was like sketching or making clothes, or so that's how it started. So I think it's like I took baby steps. I took my time to actually come and take part in Fashion Week, and since I've taken part in Fashion Week, there hasn't been any looking back, because I haven't had a minute's rest. It's like been like a roller coaster ride, which was very exciting, and I'm loving every minute of it, and I don't have any regrets. And I love it. I love what I'm doing. My clothes are very simple. They're wearable, and you don't have to have a great figure to wear my clothes. You can, Indian women have curves, and I think my clothes look very nice on Indian women, and they do have a little bit of a bohemian kind of a look. They're boho chic, I would say. Yeah, the special designs. This whole collection was made for the party, Blenders Pride Fashion Tour, and it's a very exciting collection. It's young, and it's fun, and it's something which you can carry on a holiday, and basically it is for someone who's going on a cruise, and it's perfect for that. We used a lot of black and white. Black and off-white actually, and I've used also colors like sea greens and blues, and very Mediterranean colors. And you have in the Mediterranean, you also have a lot of these bright pinks, so a lot of flowers. So there are a lot of flowers on my garments. I would love like Arjun Rampal to wear my clothes, or John Abraham. And amongst the women, I think who would it be? I think Kajol would look lovely in my clothes, and Deepika Padukone. I think she would be wonderful.